It's carburetor time. And as you can tell, I let it get late again. But I still need to get this carburetor off and get this thing started. I at least need to pull it down and get it soaking. So I'm going to see if I can get to these nuts. These don't look the easiest. Let me get in here and show you kind of what we're looking at. If you look here, down there, this one's not too bad. This one, you got to move the linkage to even see it. This one, I can't get a good view of it. Yeah, there it kind of is. And the one back here I'm going to do by braille. So, now I got to get this one little vacuum tube off. And once again, it's a metal vacuum tube. So, let me see what I can do here. See. Luckily, though, everything does seem to be almost finger tight. As I said before, that could be good, that could be bad. Because I found a few things that weren't quite right. I guess we're going to see. I've never been in one of these carburetors. This is a little bit different than I'm used to, but I do have a kit. And carburetor's a carburetor. They put fuel into air. How hard could it be? Oh, I guess I better get this linkage loose too. I don't fit that size. Does it fit that size? I thought that would be easier to get loose than that. Alright, that wasn't as bad. That was actually a little tighter. Yeah, so we're not actually having finger tight right there in that linkage. You guys up here where you can maybe see what I'm doing a little better. There you go. Now you can see my misery. Almost got the easy one out of 4. That would be the easy one. Set it up right up here for now. Okay, now for the hard ones. Let's get these wrenches out of the way. That's the vacuum line I was talking about, and that the linkage over here. Oh yeah, I still gotta get that linkage loose too. Forgot about that.
A few minutes later.
All right, everybody. It's the big moment where I find out if I've still got something connected. Okay. That come out nicely. Set this over here. Now I sped this up because this took significantly longer than I thought it was going to. I'm sitting here cleaning this up. I'm gonna get them all done. I've got this ultrasonic cleaner basket I'm putting stuff in. Now it's actually pine sol in there, and it does the best job I found to clean a carburetor. It's just like carb cleaner, except a lot cheaper. Then it starts going together, and I discovered that my kit didn't have gaskets that exactly matched, but luckily I got my gaskets off in one piece, so we'll get it all put together here. Like I say, real time, this took an hour and a half. Wasn't anything real interesting happening, so here I am just working the gaskets, get this top piece put back together. Accelerator pump took a little bit. This is where I figured out I had an extra part. So I take it all back apart again. That was so much fun. But we got it done, got it together. So we'll be ready to put it in the car. Just gonna slide it together. Now then, this sits back down on there. Then I just gotta get these nuts back on here. There's the sound that we want to hear. We didn't hear that before. That gasket in the right spot. We will drop this. Alright, let's get this thing underway. A little splash of gas down in there. That should be just enough to make something backfire. One ignition key. Drops down. Almost. We do have a high idle. It's not where I want it to be yet, but we'll get back to that. Alright guys, as you can see it's nighttime, it's late, but we do have a vehicle that idles. So I still got to build a fuel system for it, at least for that car show in a couple weeks. So when I do that, I'm going to go ahead and check the dwell angle and all that good stuff to see if that's why it's still running a little rough. It only wants to idle at about 1100, and it really ought to idle closer to 6 or 7. So we got a little bit of work to do there, but we will come back to that this weekend. In the meantime, it's time to go to bed. Alright guys, appreciate you. Thanks for watching.